The Bruno 1 cabin can be built on a footprint of just 4 by 5 meter and offers 19 square meters of space on the ground floor, with the spacious upper loft being ideal for additional storage. This high-quality 70mm log cabin could also be used as additional guest accommodation in your garden, subject to obtaining the relevant permissions. In addition to the extra thick solid wood wall logs, the standard cabin kit also features double-glazed doors and windows to ensure good thermal resistance. For all year-round use, we recommend opting for our roof and floor insulation kit, as this will keep the cabin cooler in the summer and help retain heat in colder months. By connecting your cabin to an electrical supply, you can easily use an electric heater for winter months and enjoy this tranquil space as an extension to your living space without having major building works.